my wonderful partners in crime. Today, I want to share something personal with you. I'm going to take a break, whether for a few weeks or perhaps forever. I'm not sure yet. I feel like I simply can't go on. I've given so much, created, and done everything I could, but the universe keeps placing obstacles in my path. What hurts the most is that my books, which I so wanted to publish, have been blocked by external circumstances. Despite all my efforts, success, rest, and health have eluded me. Over time, I've poured my heart into countless tutorials for you, supporting you on your ukulele and songwriting journey. But it feels like I'm constantly giving and receiving little in return. Setbacks have been my only reward, and now my body has given up. Perhaps we'll see each other again in a few weeks, or maybe not. I need to let go and trust that the right path will reveal itself when the time is right. In the meantime, I wish you all joy on your creative journey. Make the most of the tutorials I've made for you and keep going even when it gets tough. I'm taking a break now. Much love from the heart.